Rock your body. Yeah. Like, forgetting to press record. I just did a whole bit. Didn't even record. Idiot. Basically, it was about people doing stupid shit. I started singing and said it was gay. And then I said there was nothing wrong with being gay. Because there isn't. Be gay. Don't be gay. Hey, that's cool. Welcome to our planet where we do stuff. We do stuff, and not only stuff, oh no, we do things too. Yep. It's a whole world of excitement when you can just walk into somebody's house and pick up a Tupperware tub and nearly drop it. But it's okay, because I didn't walk into somebody's house. Come on, this is my house that I live in. With a family, not by myself. Wow, look at that sun. It's kind of blinding me, if I'm honest. Ow. Excuse me. Shut up. Would you... Okay? Now... Okay. Sorry, I have tap trouble. I don't want that. I bet you don't know what's going on. Let me tell you what's going on. This is what's going on! So anyway, what's a weird thing? Go, right now. What's that? Popcorn? No. Popcorn is delicious. It's corn. It's popped. Oh. 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 And it's popped in corn. The corn is popped into corn. I didn't know what popcorn is, honestly. It's a bit of corn that goes and then tastes good. What's a different weird thing? You in the front row. You, right there. Nice pants. What's that? Friends. See, now we're in agreement. We have a connection. A connection. Because friends are pretty weird when you go into the details. Because really, what is a friend? A friend is a person that you spend a lot of time with, you talk to, and you just chill with them, like a chilling buddy, like a penguin. Friendguin. That's it. New term, #Frangwen 2014. So, what is a Frangwen? Basically, your life is, you've been told not to talk to strangers, and you're like, okay, I will not talk to strangers, mommy. I have made you that promise. I will not be talking to any strangers. No, but you're allowed to talk to strangers when they're in your school class, because that's allowed, because they're not real strangers. They're the people that are going to be your friends for the rest of your life. Oh, isn't that nice? Isn't that nice, little Jeremy? Fuck off. Okay? 17 now. Just, okay? Just... And so you don't talk to strangers, but you get put in this group of strangers to talk to. Unless you want to be a fucking... loner penguin on your own. A zero Frangwen, #0 Frangwen 2014. But you're placed in a class, and immediately you like some people, you dislike some people. Frangwens, not Frangwens, but a Frangwen is just a person that you talk to a lot because you have things in common with. That's not a thing that makes any sense to me. Your family, that makes sense to me. Your mom, well, she done birthed you. Your papa, he done made you. Your siblings, if you got any. They your siblings. Your mama birthed them, you know? They've been birthed by your mama. They your family. That's allowed. That makes sense. Women partners, all men partners. It there makes sense too, they do. And I'm telling you why. Because it is in our nature as human beings to wanna procreate and have sexual intercourse. Excuse my language. And so we have the sexual intercourse, and then we make children and new families. But friends don't make sense, okay? So that's the point here. Thanks to Johnny Boy in the front seat with the nice pants on. They're denim? They're denim. And a denim jacket. Brave. Personally would not be double denim in it. Because why is sense a thing that needs to be made? Applejack the pony. Did you know? Applejack the pony. She's the good one. I don't... Are we done here? Is this the thing? We're good. Okay, so... We'll see y'all next time on another... Converse thing. I guess is what you could... Sorry. Hang on a second. Just wait a little, Judy, my tooty fruity cootie. Malooty. We will return back again for another vlog star thing, my dude. So, well, I guess that's all I gotta say. Peace on it.